What's up guys? Welcome again to my channel. For today's video, I will show you the sewage treatment plant on board the ship and how to backflush or backwash it overboard. This is a little bit smelly topic, but I assure you that you will gain knowledge and information from watching it until the end.
Sewage treatment plant is one of the machineries on board the ship that used to treat the sewage and make it less harmful for the sea. The main body which governs sewage disposal at sea is the MARPOL or Marine Pollution Annex 4. And this is the summary of how the sewage is being treated in the sewage treatment plant. This is a sewage treatment plant piping diagram. It starts from the toilet of the crew. Then, pass through the pipeline and through the three-way valve. One way directly overboard and one way to the sewage treatment plant. For overboard, it passes first into the storm valve before it is discharged to the sea. For sewage treatment plant, the sewage is already treated and is pumped by the sewage discharge pump either to the gray water tank or overboard. And here are the parts of the sewage treatment plant. Its compartments or stages, valves, and pump. The first biofilter tank. Second biofilter tank. Separation tank. Treated water tank, sewage inlet, air outlet, overflow, cleaning water inlet, screen, biofilter tank valve, separation tank valve, treatment water valve, stop valve, backwashing valve, first aeration valve, second aeration valve, aeration adjust valve, air lift valve, check valve, control panel, discharge pump, aeration blower, motor for blower, level probe, UV sterilizer, manhole, sterilizer, aeration pipe, backwashing pipe, packing media, and sampling cup. And now, let's proceed to the procedures how to backwash and clean the sewage treatment plant. Backwashing and sludge removal should be done monthly. Before doing the job, wear your proper personal protective equipment and read the manual for instructions. Number 1. Open the manhole. Number 2. Turn the blower switch to stop and turn the discharge pump switch to manual. Number 3. Open backwashing valve and shut or close the first aeration valve and the second aeration valve. Number 4. Turn the blower switch to run and continue this state about 20 minutes. Fixed sludge on first packing media will be removed. After 20 minutes, number 5, open second aeration valve and shut or close the backwashing valve and continue this state for about 10 minutes. This time, the fixed sludge on the second packing media will be removed. After 10 minutes, number 6, open the first aeration valve. Number 7, open the biofilter tank valve, the stop valve, the separation tank valve, and close or shut the treated water valve. Number 8, check that the overboard valve is open. Number 9, turn off again the blower and press the start button of the discharge pump to discharge the sludge within the tank. When the sludge within the tank has been completely discharged, pressure of the pump will suddenly drop. On confirming this pressure drop, press the stop button of the discharge pump switch to stop the pump. Number 10, start cleaning all the stages of the sewage treatment plant. You can use either fresh water or seawater, but the advisable is the fresh water. Then, introduce a certain amount of cleaning water into it. Then, discharge. This operation should be carried out approximately twice. After cleaning, number 11, refill with fresh water the sewage treatment plant tank. And when the indicator lamp marks high water level on the control panel, stop the refilling of fresh water. And number 12, close the biofilter tank valve, stop valve, separation tank valve, and open the treatment water outlet valve. And lastly, turn the blower switch to run and turn the discharge pump switch to auto or automatic. And wait for the high water level alarm or lights to disappear. And that's all for the backwashing or cleaning the sewage treatment plant. And here are the other maintenance of the sewage treatment plant.